Hello children, hope you all are good and well. I'm your teacher Simiran from Kerala Public School, Kamaria. Today we are going to do English exercise. So let's begin children. Now children, look at this picture. Can you guess what is this? Yes, this is a picture of bat. Next one. Mat. Now next one. Cat. Now look at this picture children. What is this? Yes. Rat. Now tell me children, what is this? Yes, this is a picture of hen. The next one is net. This one is bed. This is a picture of pen. Revise this exercise at your home. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe children. Thank you.